Yeah, guys. So we're live. We're gonna do the weekly analysis for this week. For XAU USD. You feel me? GBP JPY. You know, and Euro USD. So those are the three pairs we're gonna focus on for the next couple of weeks. Understood? And we're just gonna wire it down to one or two pairs. All right. Yeah. So let's start it off with the gold. We're smoking on that wall, sipping on that Hennessy. Yeah. Let's start it off with the gold, right? So the gold is kind of in the middle range right here. So we're looking at this range right here. Like over here. You know. So yeah, we're on the 30-minute time frame. We're looking in this range right here. Understood? So yeah, this is the definite range right here. So simple trading, simple support and resistance. The biggest traders still trade with support and resistance. That's basically what's the only thing you can do in the market. So let's get this. So we're looking for buys on the breakout of this level. So we're looking for the candles to do something like this. Boom, boom, come back down, boom, boom, say come way up here, boom, come back down on this line, and then we get a breakout. Boom. Okay? So simple as that. We either get a breakout up there on that level, or we do something like this. Come down, come back up, down, get a break down here, right here, and then we're out. Understood? So yeah, that's trades are definitely probably overnight. Probably you can set a buy stop. But it's probably going. I don't think it's gonna break out of range for tonight. So yeah, that's it for gold. GBP JPY. We're looking at this range right here. We're looking at this range. Alright? Simple support and resistance until we can expand the strategy, build the strategy. Simple support, resistance, breakout. Understood? So we're right here. We're at the higher highs for GBP JPY. What I think is gonna happen for GBP JPY is what I think is gonna happen. I'm trying to delete this. Yeah. So what I think is gonna happen is kind of overbought. It's overbought on the 30 minutes. Probably on the rest of the time frame, it's still overbought. So I'm looking to see it do a fake out, like a fake out right here at this level. This bring this level to right here. So we already get the fake out, so we can get a sell. A sell coming down. So we're gonna look for something like this. Look for boom, 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 yeah, boom, boom, and take these lows out. You feel me? We probably come right. That's definitely, excuse me. That's definitely what I'm looking for GBP JPY. It's oversold. it's overbought, so I would be looking for a pullback right there. Simple price action wouldn't look for us. We wouldn't still look to ride the market going up because it's already being bought out. You feel me? So we'll be looking to catch this pullback right here. There was a little bit of consolidation right here. You break out again, fake out, and we can get that pullback. Stood. So Euro USD. Euro USD is in the middle of the range. So simply we'd be looking to take out these ranges. Okay, so we are looking to break below these. I'm looking for sells below here and buys above here. Feel me? Stop loss, risk to reward ratio 1 to 3. That's what we're working with. For every trade, we're calculating, and that's what I'm gonna get to right now. How to calculate your trades, how to calculate your risk, how to know your trading is not simple, bro. You need to calculate your risk, and I learned 1,000 times to calculate my risk, and I'm not gonna let you make the same mistake. So you gotta have calculation. If you're not a math geek, you have to write that shit down. Your percentage, how much you're risking, how much you this, how much you that. Because if you don't, you're just gonna be buying and selling. You don't know how much you're risking. You're just gonna lose all your money. You don't know when to stop, when to start. So that's gonna give you a little. So let me take you guys along with my new risk management and trading plan. Understood? So the first thing, why are you trading? Why do you want to trade? What's your main drive? What do you need money for? Right now, I'm just trying to find the next source of income. Replace my source of income because this is more ethical. It's more long term. You know, and why is it more ethical? Why is it more long term? So I can have a generational wealth for my kids. Let them follow the same steps. Understood? So yeah, ask yourself those questions and ask yourself why about 5 times. You know, 5 different answers. You know, that's the first thing. So in order to achieve targeted returns and account size, my current highest priority action are to focus and on process and specific actions, mindset, habits, and routine. Simple as that. So let's get to the risk parameters. So this is my risk. This is what I sat down. This is what I come up with. And I might adjust it, I might not. This is what I'm working with. I'll be risking because how I set this up to before I start, I realize I like I like to sit down on the chart more than some other people. So I give myself the ability to take more trades. You know, so according, if you can only say, for instance, I want to take 10 trades a day, my risk is gonna be less because I want to do more trades. If you only want to take 1 or 2 trades a day, your risk can be more for each trade. So that's how you can see how much percent per trade. But if you want to just follow along with my percentage, cool. So I'll be risking 2% per trade. hmm And my max daily loss is 6%. That's my numbers that you feel me? And that is 3 losing trades in a row. So 2% per trade. So max daily loss is 6%. So that's 3 losing trades in a row. My max loss per week will be 9%. Alright? So my max loss per week will be 9%. And if my balance fall below 80%, I'll reduce my risk to 1% per trade. Alright? Simple. Simple. Nothing is easy, bro. You just gotta do the numbers and stick with it. Understood? Make it make sense. Understand? This is plain and simple. Plain and simple. If you didn't go to maths class when you was in high school, bro, I'm sorry. You should have went, because it's not deep maths, but it's basic maths. Because it's basic maths. Like, you don't even have to know maths to do this shit. You just gotta know 5% of $100. 5% of $100 is $5 damn. You feel me? That's the easiest shit ever. So I will trade with increased risk on. Alright, so let's start here. If my balance is below 80%, I'll reduce my risk to 1%. I will trade with the reduced risk only if I'm below drawdown threshold. If my balance is increased above 40%, I'll increase my risk to 5% per trade. So listen, say for instance I'm trading with 100. So if I make a 40% of the 100, so that would be $140. I'll increase my risk to 5% once I'm above $140. So that you can't rush it. So if you want to increase your risk, you gotta pass the first stages. So get your balance to 140, and then you can increase the risk. Simple. So I'll trade increase as long as it's over 40% in wins. I'll keep that increased risk at 5%. And still keep it over 40%. So I'll target 10% per week, 10 to 12% per week, realistically, and so how I'll do it, I'd love to achieve like 30% per month or 40% per month. Understood? So yeah, if you're starting with a small account, yeah, bad news. It's not a get rich quick scheme. You feel me? We have to, like, this is the closest. This is not even a really strict risk management plan. It do got some room for you to grow your account. This is one of the easiest ways to grow your account. You know, so it's easy said, easy done. You need a bigger account to make bigger profits with reduced risk. Understood? So yeah, you just need a bigger account overall, but you just have to build your account if it's not big. Simple. Have patience. So my trading windows gonna be from now on. It's gonna be 7 a.m. to 12 a.m. We'll be looking for trades. I think those are the best time to catch some moves. 7 a.m. to 12 p.m. Yeah, 12 p.m. So 7 a.m. to 12 p.m. in the morning. So we're looking for those trades. We're looking for those snipes. We're definitely gonna find them 7 to 12 p.m. in the morning. All right. And for the night session, if we feel like going at it, or if we have reached the drawdown percentage, or if we still have a couple trades left for the day, it's just windows we can enter. Understood? If we haven't reached the target for the day target, you know. So I commit to following I commit to following this plan strictly. It is my full responsibility to manage my risk and execute on my trading system flawlessly without being influenced by emotions. I know not every day, week, month will be profitable. I will keep executing my system while managing risk flawlessly in the long run. I will achieve a positive return. Signed by Meech. I'm out, bitch.